Top 3 ways to have an internet-based career. Welcome back to Real Quick, where I explain shit real quick on the real. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video, the truth about college, university / top 10 pieces of advice if you're on the fence between college and university, links in the doobly-doo. Number 1 way to work from anywhere / have an internet-based career / location independent career is be an entrepreneur. Yes, become an internet-based entrepreneur. That means you're working for yourself, essentially. You are creating a business that is internet-based. Now, of course, there are many different types and styles of internet-based businesses, from selling physical products to selling digital products to coaching to creating agencies that are just location independent. But being an entrepreneur is the number 1 way. And for my full list of all the top different ways that entrepreneurs have businesses online, link to my blog where I write and break down all the different top business models. Number 2 way is become a freelancer. A freelancer is someone who does piecework jobs for clients all around the world through job sites like Upwork.com and Freelancer.com, and performs internet-based piecework for clients all around the world. Essentially, you are a freelance independent contractor, doing things from freelance writing to freelance graphic design to video editing to voiceover to market research to consulting. There are very, very many different ways that people freelance online to be able to work from wherever. For my full list of how to become a freelancer and some different options, link on my blog for the full breakdown. And number 3 main way to work from anywhere is to work for a company remotely. Yes, I've met many, many digital nomads who actually just work for a company but work remotely. And I think everyone kind of realizes now that a lot of major companies are letting their employees work from home / work remotely. If you're wondering, how do people do this? How do I negotiate with my boss for a work remote agreement? Check out the guide on my blog, links in the doobly-doo. Those are the top 3 ways to work from wherever. Now, I'm not saying that doing this is easy, but it's definitely possible. So if you're wondering who is this guy on the screen right now, I have been a digital nomad / running my online business for 3+ years now, while living most of the year in Thailand and Vietnam and Southeast Asia. This YouTube channel started as just a vlog filming my fun trips that we would have. Now it's evolved to me becoming an influencer in the whole online business space, and I consider it my job now to help people navigate the waters of going remote. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe to it. Boop, click the little button, just do it, because we got to get this channel to 100K so I can go full-time, hire a full-time filmmaker, go to the next level. Also leave a like on this video and let everyone know in the comments, what are your tips, tricks, and experiences with online business? What are you working on now? What has worked? What hasn't worked? What are you working towards? And what's your why? Why do you want to have an internet-based career / location independent career? Let me know your why, because that's a very, very important thing. See you guys in the comments. See you guys in the blog. Woo!